I Razia Patel from Gnanij Vidyapat Standard 5th. So students, today we will start measurement of angle. So measurement of angle, students will start in unit number 3rd. So students, name the parts of the following angles are there. Ray AB and ray AC, both ray are there. So in that, A is the vertex, arms is AB and AC, and names are angle CAB and angle BAC. That you all are knowing, because this all the things we all are learning already in the previous lecture. Now students, let's learn how to measure the angle using the protractor. Did you see the protractor, students? So this is a protractor. What is this? Tools using the protractor. So this is the protractor and this is the middle part. Center point is there. We'll start, this one is a 0 line. Whenever we'll measure the angle with the protractor, we'll use the center point and 0 line. And this here is a, look at here is a, this big numbers are this, right? So this one is the outer scale, this is a outer scale, and from this side this one is a smaller number, that one is a inner scale. So in a protractor, three things we have to learn over here. Four things are there. In that, first of all, we have to find the center point. Then students, we have to find the 0 line, outer scale and inner scale. Outer scale and inner scale. Got it? Then step to measure the angle. Now how to measure the angle, students? So what we have to do, keep the center point of the protractor on vertex A and 0 line of the protractor should overlap ray AB. Got it? AB and AC is here. Now हमें क्या करना है, हमने प्रोटेक्टर को यहाँ पे रख दिया, ठीक है. सो this one is a AC and AB. So this is a, which angle is there? 120 or 16 is there. So check the direction of ray. Now we have to find the direction of the ray. Okay, if AB point towards the right of the protractor, look at the inner scale. अगर AB है वो right of the right side है, तो हमें कौन सा स्केल फाइंड करना है? इनर स्केल. विच स्केल विल यूज ओवर हियर? इनर स्केल. इफ इट इज पॉइंट टुवर्ड द लेफ्ट, लुक एट द आउट स्केल. अगर वो लेफ्ट साइड होगा तो हम आउट स्केल यूज करेंगे, बट हियर इज द इनर स्केल इज देयर, सो विल यूज द इनर राइट साइड है, ठीक है. सो हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? विल यूज द इनर स्केल. So look at here, AB 0 is there and AC 150, but we have to find the inner scale. So in inner scale, look at here, small numbers are there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and this one is a 60. Got it? So ray AB point toward the right, so we will look at the inner scale. हमें यहाँ पे inner scale look देखना है, ठीक है. So this one is a 60, हम लोगों ने पहले काउंट किया था. सो एंगल CAB इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. एंगल CAB इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री. Got it everyone? Now you all are knowing how to use the protractor. Here I'll show you a real protractor also. Now look at students, this is a protractor. This protractor will use and do the sums over here. I hope so students you all are understand. Now we'll start the next worksheet. Worksheet number 6. Now students, worksheet number 6, angle the measurement. So in a protractor I already explained that 0 lines is there, center point, inner scale and outer scale are there. So to the measure to keep the center point protractor of the vertex A, it is a 0 line should be overlapping with the ray, ठीक है. So this one is overlapping with the A, ray AB and ray AC. Then check the directions of AB. Direction of AB is a left side, is not a right side. if AB point towards the right side, look at the inner side. Now this one is the right side is there, so we have to look at the inner scale. Which scale we have to look at over here? This one inner scale, and this one is the outer scale. If the AB is the left side, then we have to look at the outer side. Okay, so count from the 0 till the numbers that match with the ray AC. Write the measure of the angle. So measure of the angle is 30. Measure of the angle is 30. Now students will start the worksheet number 7. We'll use the protractor over here, and then we'll do the worksheet number 7. So now students, worksheet number 7, angle measurement is there. Measure each angle using the protractor. Okay, so मैं protractor का use करना है और angle को measure करना है. So let's see that how it is possible or not. Look at students, look at over here. In a first one, see, this is a protractor, correct? Is this a protractor? If we are protractor using over here, so AB is a 0 line and AC is there, so let's see, here is a small things are there, so I'll draw over here. A1, now students look at this is a center point, correct? And is this a 0 line, is it? So students look at this, ये है हमारा सेंटर पॉइंट, करेक्ट? दिस इज अ सेंटर पॉइंट. सेंटर पॉइंट से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो फर्स्ट वन इज अ 60 डिग्री इज है, सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर EF and this is a D, so this one is a 60 degree. We have to write here D E F is equal to 60 degree, is equal to 60 degree. Students, आप लोगों को क्या करना है? Just you have to use the protractor and write the answer. Now we'll start the second one. First you have to write this in your you have to write this only answer in your workbook. I'll give you 10 seconds. You have to complete it 60 degree right there. Okay students, now second one. Center points are here. Okay, see, then draw the line over here. Now we have to find the angles. We have to name that B, C and A. Now we have to measure it, students. If we have measured this, so students, look at this. This is a 150 is there. This is the inner portion. We have to count it. 110, 10, then 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. So 150. So here we have to write 150. Angle ABC is equal to 150. So this one is a B1 question. Okay student, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. C1 question will start. Now students, here we are having the angle. That angle name is X, Y and Z. Okay, now we have to find the C1 question is there. Angle degrees are there. So first of all we will take the protractor. That protractor we have to put over here with the middle point. So students, if we are putting protractor with the 0 line and we will count the inner scale. So look at this, you have to easily look at this, that this one is a 17 degrees are there, right? 17 degrees is there. So what we have to write here in answer, here 17 degrees is there. So here we have to write angle X, Y, Z is equal to 70 degree. Got it? Is equal to 70 degree. Now look at this students. I'll give you 10 seconds. You have to complete it. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next one question. C1 question. Now here is a one angle students. So look at this. We have to put the protractor over here. Now see. This is which degree is there? Look at over here. This is a 14 degrees there. And here we have to given the names also, P, Q and R, and this is a 14 degree, angle of 14. Look at this. देखो आप ऐसे ही रख दोगे तो आपको मालूम नहीं होगा, but you have to keep the perfectly, so you have to find the angle easily. Look at this. Okay, 40 degrees there. So here we have to write angle PQR is equal to 14 degree. Got it? I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work students. Now this one is a D1 question. I hope so students your work is complete. Now we'll start next one portion. Now students, next one angle we are here. So in that next one is S, T and U. S, T and U is there. So in that students we have to find the angles, correct? So we have to use a protractor. We'll take the protractor. We have to put the protractor over here and then we have to measure it. Look at this. This is a 130 is there. 130 degree. So here we have to write 130 and angle STU is equal to 130 degree. Got it? Now I'll give you a half an minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now next one, look at this students. First of all we have to given the names over here. So this one name is M, Q and N. Now we have to measure it with this. So students, look at this. This is the majority 117. 117 is there. So we have to write it here. Angle 117. Angle MNQ is equal to angle 170. Now students, I'll give you half an minute to complete your work. So students, now you all are knowing that how to find the angles with the protractor, degree of the angles with the protractor. So now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7 worksheet you have to complete it and send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work students and send it to me before 1:30. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.